Hello and welcome to the CPA marketing tutorial for complete beginners. This is considered to be one of the best and easiest ways for beginners to make money online. And for those who don't know, CPA stands for cost per acquisition. And with this method, I'll be showing you a specific website in order for you to be able to make a lot of money. And don't worry, this tutorial will be for complete beginners who know nothing about CPA marketing. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this step by step, so make sure that you watch every single part of this video all the way to the end so you know how to make money using this method. So if you're ready to make some money, please subscribe to this channel and like this video if you haven't already. Also, be sure to click on the notification bell so you are notified every time we upload a new money-making video. So the first step in today's video tutorial will be to go to a website called CPAGrip.com. The second step will be to show you how to find some offers. Step 3 will be making a special list, and step 4 will be to exchange our offers for profit on a particular website. So, for step number 1, we're going to go over to CPAGrip.com. When you get to CPAGrip, you're going to go up to the top and click on where it says Register. You'll then be redirected to this page where you will fill in all the necessary information to create your free account. Right here where it says Publisher Type, I want you to select Website/and send. And then right here under Website, you can put your website link here if you have one. If not, you can put a link to your social media account if you have one. And then fill in the rest of the information that's required here, and then check on this box that says, I have read and understand the terms of service. And you can click on Terms of Service to read and go over it if you'd like. After you've done all that, then you can click on the button that says Register Now. And then once you click on Register Now, you'll be sent an email in order to verify your account. So once you've signed up and created an account, you will be welcomed inside the main dashboard. So the next thing I want you to do is go over and click where it says Offer Tools, and then click on My Offers. So you can see right here, it says Country, and then it says the United States. This doesn't mean that you are required to be in the United States. All this means is that we will be targeting the United States. And then under categories, I would suggest choosing either desktop or mobile. And you can see here under type, it shows the category for each. So for this example, we're going to go with desktop. So just start browsing through all these different offers and check out the payout for each offer right here under payout. You can click on this arrow right here to see highest to lowest. And I want to mention that these do change every now and then. Sometimes the payouts get higher and sometimes they get lower. So, as an example for this video, let's go ahead and select this one right here. So when we click on it, this pop-up will appear and it will have this link. This link is very important because this is how we're going to make our money. This is what we want people to click on. So next, I'm going to show you my secret trick. So make sure you keep this window open with this pop-up and this affiliate link of yours. And then next, we're going to open up a Google document. So we're just going to type in the title of the offer that we selected right here in this Google Doc. And then right below that, we're going to paste the link that we copied from the offer that we selected on CPAGrip. And then we're just going to repeat this process. So I'm going to browse for another offer, and I think I will choose this one right here. So what I'm doing here is I'm selecting the ones that have the most money. So I'll just copy this link here and then go back to our Google Doc and paste it right here, and then write the title of that offer associated with this link. And then we'll do a third one right here. I'll select this one, copy the link, paste it into the Google Doc, and then write the title of this offer. So just repeat this process until you get a list of 10 different offers. After you have created a list of 10 different offers, then we're going to head over to a website called Fiverr.com. And I would suggest that you create a brand new Fiverr account if you already have your own personal account, because you don't want to risk getting banned from your personal account for whatever reason. After you've created your new account, we're going to search for virtual assistant. And since we selected our location to be the United States on CPAGrip, we are also going to select our location to be in the United States on Fiverr.com as well. The reason why we have to choose a virtual assistant from the United States is because we have to have someone from the United States fill out our offers. So, what you need to do is just click on Seller Details and then go down here and click on United States, and then click on Apply. And then for budget, I would make the maximum budget be $5 and then click Apply. So now we will have a variety of different virtual assistants who will charge $5. So just select one and then go over to where it says Contact Seller and click on that. When you click on Contact Seller, a pop-up will appear where you can send this virtual assistant a message. All you need to say is, I just need you to complete 10 online surveys for me that won't take very long. Fill out on desktop or computer, please. Simply fill everything out, that's all. After you've written that out, you'll just click on Send, and then just repeat this process with 10 different virtual assistants. Just click on the next one, and then click on Contact Seller, and then write the same draft, and then click on Send until you have contacted 10 different virtual assistants. So we know that we will make about $2 per offer that someone signs up for. And we have 10 different offers on our Google document. So that's $20 every time a person fills out each offer on our Google document. But we will have to invest $5 to pay this virtual assistant. So $20 minus $5 is $15. But remember, we contacted 10 different sellers on Fiverr. So 15 times 10 is $150. So that's $150 every single day. So if you were to do this for 1 month, you would be making $4,500. So if you're uncomfortable with the strategy of using Fiverr.com and risk getting banned from your account, I have another one that you can do that involves using Facebook groups. However, it all depends on what exactly you will be promoting. And there is a Facebook group for almost anything, so depending on what you're promoting, you'll want to find a Facebook group that's related to that category or niche of the offer that you're promoting. So let's say your offer is related to taking surveys. There are loads of different Facebook groups that are filled with people who want to make money by taking surveys. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create a Facebook account if you haven't already done so. It's completely free to do. After you've created your Facebook account, then you're going to want to type into the search bar a keyword that's related to your offer. So let's say it's filling out a survey. We would simply just type in survey in the search bar, and then we'd scroll down to where it says communities and click on that so we can find all the survey-related Facebook groups. Now we can see a variety of different survey-related Facebook groups that we can potentially join. So we can just browse for a bit and find a Facebook group that revolves around making money from taking surveys. So here's one right here. And I'd like to mention that the more niched down a Facebook group, the better. So if I'm looking for a Facebook group that is focused on making money from taking surveys, this Facebook group right here is perfect. So now you can create a post that looks something like this. I found this new website that pays you for taking surveys. Comment info if you want more details. After you've written the post and then click on Post right here, it'll be posted to this Facebook group. And out of these many thousand members of the group, at least some of these people will see this post and be interested. And if and when they become interested by commenting info on your post, you can then send them a direct message with your link telling them that they can fill out the survey and make money by doing so. Now, another strategy that you can do will also involve social media. You can create a TikTok account completely for free. And again, you want to stick to a niche that's related to your offer from CPAGrip and then create content related to that niche. So when you create content in a particular niche, you'll attract those people who might be interested in your offer. So you're going to put the links to your offers in your TikTok bio for people to click on and fill out. And the more content you create and the more consistently you post your content, the more people are going to follow you and click on your link in your bio, which will result in you getting paid more. And you can also do this exact same thing on Instagram. You can create an Instagram account that's related to your niche and create content in order to target a specific type of person to get them to click on your link and fill out your offer so you can get paid. And that's it. That's how you can make money through CPA marketing by following this process exactly. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to learn about another way to make money online, check out this video right here. If you enjoyed today's video, please consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't already and like this video. Also, be sure to click on the notification bell so you are notified every time we upload a new video teaching you how to make money online.